gonna go on YouTube.
What are we recording?
You tearing it off?
Oh.
You gotta turn around for you to see it.
I don't think it's gonna tear.
Oh, I gotta do this. Ah! Didn't work.
Just hold it and pull. Turn around.
What's this thing made out of? Teflon?
Band-Aid.
Hannah Montana.
Ow!
You want me to rip it off for you?
I'm super super! I'm super super girl.
I think it cut my armpit.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is
It's
Teflon, I'm telling you, man. Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna go. Ray, rip my clothes off.
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
What are you guys doing? Trying to rip off the Hannah Montana sweater? What's it look like?
I'm a grown man.
Yeah.
Nothing weird here. I got it.
Ray just loosened it up for you.